Yeah.
I'm looking at him. Oh, okay. So you are part of the... Hi, I'm Sohn, VP of Finance and Legal. The most coolest and interesting story that I've seen at Workato is SeatGeek's cash reconciliation story. The accounting teams at any company, they come under a lot of time pressure to close the books. And cash reconciliation is the activity that consumes the largest part of their time because you're not only extracting data from multiple sources, bank accounts, credit cards, your vendor systems, but also you have to do a lot of manual work. So they're able to solve it using Workato to enable automation of cash reconciliation. By doing that, they shave off a lot of time. And with that time, the finance team at SeatGeek, they can use it to achieve more strategic goals as well as their personal time at home.